more carrots. Don't tear it. More.
तो हेलो गाइस, सभी का स्वागत है। मैं हूँ शिव साई। सो गाइस, इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू drawing Chrome logo using Python Turtle. So let's see now how it would be. In previous videos, I tried to explain line by line, code line by line, but it is impossible because there is a large amount of, big amount of code is there. So many lines is there in in that code. So in this Chrome logo.py less lines. So let's see. I will try to explain line by line, and also think that I didn't upload the code for last 2 to 3 videos, so I am working on it. So I lost my credentials of my website, so I'm trying. So in this, after this video, maybe I will upload before 2 3 videos source code and this video source code as soon as possible. So guys, we are importing the turtle module as we imported in last videos. So and in this video, in this code we are importing the time module for the sleeping of the sleeping of window. So maybe it's not useful. Okay, left it doing. So and color mode is a function which is used to return the color mode or values of color triples which having in the range of 0 to 255. We can give here, we can see that 255 is the range, right? So we can give, instead of 255 we can also give 240, 230. So it is mainly, color mode is mainly used for the setting the RGB values. So guys, next we are assigning the RGB values to the red variable. So when we give these values in the RGB picker, we get the red value. So when we give this 75, 183, 75, we will get the green value. So we are assigning the RGB values to the respective variables. So and we are assigning the radius for the Chrome logo. So next, let's see the how it will be. So guys, chalo, let's see for the main code. Let's see for the red color code. So here first we are assigning the red color because Chrome having a red, green, yellow and blue, right? So we are assigning the red color to the pen color, red color to the pen. So next we are filling begin fill and end fill, which is these two functions are which is used to fill the closed area. So next, FD means is forward. So it will forward the straight line from the middle to the R equals to 120, right? So 120 pixels. So down is a method which is used to pull back the pen down from the screen. Okay. So next, let's see. Okay. Next, right is which is used to change the angle of the pointer, and also circle function which is used to uh, draw the circle. FD, as I said, it is used to forward the line, and again left, right and left, these two are used to set the pointer in the angle which we are giving in the left, from left to right, right to left, or like this. So as we seen circle also, which is used to circle function which is used to draw the circle. So end fill, as I said, so left and FD, as I said. Okay, let's execute this code. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, file name is chrome.py, right? Okay, here we can see that when we compare two, the red color is perfectly, it is drawing the red color is perfect, right? So let's see for the green and yellow. Okay guys, let's see for the green one. So we are rotating the pointer to the pen pointer to the 180 degrees, and we are changing the pen color, and also which is used to fill the closed area, and we are forwarding the pointer to the pen to the radius into 3 to the power of 0.5, and we are changing again angle of the pen pointer into 120 degrees. Then again we are drawing the circle. So when we give the 120, it will only take the semicircle, from 1 to 120. It does not draw total circle, it only draws the circle which is some of the part of it. So next we are using the left and forward, same thing, same we are following, same functions we are following as we seen in red. So and while coming to yellow, we follow same as it is functions for the yellow one also. So as of now we got up to yellow, right? Chalo, let's see the execution up to yellow. Let's hide this one. Okay, chrome dot py, right? Here we can see that when we compare these two images, I mean this drawing turtle image, and we took the original logo of the chrome, as we see that these two images are almost all same, right? So let's see, for something is missing, which is middle one, blue circle, right? Let's see for this one. Okay, now let's see for the blue circle using the up function, which is used to pull the pen up from the screen. Okay, next function left, as I said, which is used to change the angle of the pen pointer. Then when we come into circle, here we are using the distance function, right? So main use of distance function is which is used to calculate the distance between the starting pen pointer to the now present pen pointers. At starting it will be at 0 0, right? So 0 0 to at present, in which coordinates which the pen pointer it is. So it calculates the distance between two, and then returns the value. So when the distance is returning a value, then it will be taken by the circle function, then it draws the circle. So here we are giving the blue, right? So color function, which is used to change the pen color, and which is used to fill the color in the closed pictures, I mean closed diagrams, closed shapes. Let's see the execution once. So guys, here we can see that the right side of this official logo, left side is which is used to draw by using Python. So as you see, two things are same, right? When we compare to almost all, they are same. So we are, by using Python, we are trying to draw logo, right? Chrome logo. So it is working. So this is for this video. So guys, hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video link with your friends, and like the video. So guys, and the thing that the code will be uploaded to our website bit.do/nobi. I am giving the link in the description, so don't forget to download the code and try. If there are any doubts, you can ping me on Instagram or in LinkedIn. I'm also giving the LinkedIn ID and Instagram ID in the description. And the thing that I didn't upload the last previous 2-3 videos codes, I mean source codes. I'm going to upload with this code in our website bit.do/nobi, which is in the description. Click on it and try those codes also. If there are any doubts, you can ping me on Instagram or LinkedIn. So guys, इस वीडियो का इतना ही था. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. और मिलते हैं next वीडियो में. Bye bye.